Hi guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can teach English as a virtual tutor. It is possible to teach English as a virtual tutor with no experience. However, you do have to be a fluent English speaker. Teaching English online has enjoyed rapid growth in demand and popularity. There are currently over a billion people with the billion people will currently learning English globally. New online platforms and tools will pop up regularly. Some require a bachelor's degree, but others don't. TEFL or ESL certification, however, is essential. Level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, expert. Requirements: no teaching experiences is required, but you can earn more with a degree or teaching certification. Time of earning is instant. Tools of you need is an account with online teaching platform. Income potential is about $10 per hour and $40 per hour maximum. And and we also have another topic today. How you can do micro jobs on Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk. You may not have heard of micro jobs, but it's a term used for straightforward jobs that generally require no technical skills. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a online platform where requesters, as they are known, will post boring jobs that you can complete for a minute sum of money. The jobs are called HITS, HITS, or human intelligent tasks. These tasks tend to be things that algorithms or computers aren't quite capable of doing, or that humans do far more effectively. You get to pick and choose which jobs you want to do and how much you want to do. The pay is anything from 1 cent to $1 per hit, and a hit include transcription of audio recording, researching data details, identification of objects in videos or photos, data deduplication. Unfortunately, there is a considerable amount of competition, and if you want to continue get your fair share of work, you'll need to use browser extensions, a suite of tools to lap up your best paying jobs quickly. Level of expertise: beginner, intermediate, expert. Requirements: no experience or knowledge is required. Time: instant, though it can take a couple of weeks to build a decent amount of cash. Tool software that alerts you of high earning hits. Income potentials are $100 to $1,000 per month. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.